Namaskar. Chaach or buttermilk is one such beverage which is liked by all. But how about if I tell you that if you consume buttermilk every day, it will benefit you immensely. After watching this video, you will realize that how important it is to consume buttermilk in your daily routine. First benefit is that buttermilk slows aging. Buttermilk has antioxidant which doesn't allow free radicals to damage the skin, and thus it is an excellent beverage which will make your skin look younger, fit and glowing. I will say that this is the best and the cheapest way to stop your skin from aging. All you need to do is to have a glass of buttermilk daily at lunchtime. Second, buttermilk stimulates digestive fire. Many of us suffer from weak digestive fire, causing all types of digestive problems like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea and indigestion. Buttermilk has a property to bind the bowel and it is probiotic in nature. That means it has immense good bacteria. It is a perfect cleanser which cleans the inner wall of digestive tract filled with oil and fats. Ayurveda uses buttermilk to treat diseases and also to maintain health. And so, when you drink buttermilk every day, your digestion improves to a great extent. Buttermilk with a pinch of hing, salt and cumin powder is proven to be the best way of having it daily. Cumin and hing plays a very important role in stimulating the digestive fire. Third property is it's an excellent rehydrating agent. Whenever you feel tired, our elders always advise us to consume buttermilk. It is because buttermilk is the ultimate drink which rehydrates the body. It is because buttermilk is packed with electrolytes, especially potassium and water. As soon as you enter the house, make a point that you have a glass of Chaach buttermilk with mint inside. All you have to do is to take a half a cup of curd. In that put 4 to 5 mint leaves, put little salt, put little roasted cumin seed and black pepper and grind it. Add water to it and consume it. Mint in this buttermilk will cool your body down and help to fight your body against dehydration. Fourth, buttermilk is a good strong tonic for bone health. We all know that calcium is very important for our bone development. Buttermilk is rich in calcium. When you have little curd daily, you are providing extra calcium to your body. It can be easily consumed by people who cannot tolerate lactose. 5. Rich in vitamins. Buttermilk is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin A and B12. Vegetarians are usually deficient in B12. When you consume buttermilk daily, you are providing your body with B12. Because of vitamin A in buttermilk, your eyes are also helped, you get a better eyesight. One way to consume buttermilk is to make masala chaach. 4 tablespoonfuls of curd, salt, black pepper powder, finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well and then add 2 glasses of water. Temper the buttermilk with 1 tablespoonful of cumin seed. But remember, intake of buttermilk should be avoided during night. Again, understand that during cold winter, after drinking buttermilk, definitely have a half a glass of warm water over it. Try including buttermilk in your daily diet, and I am sure you will feel much healthier, much stronger, much better in your energy level, at your health level. Namaskar.